Hi friends, I'm Suganya from Tech Talks, and this is the fourth video in Flutter video series. In this video, I'm gonna make our first Flutter application. So here it is open the main.dart file, which is actually in the lib folder. And as I say, we will be working on this lib folder most of the time. So now don't be scared with this code, and I'm gonna remove all the code and start from the scratch. And first select all code and delete everything. Now we can start our Flutter application from the scratch. First, you need to import material.dart file. And how can we do so? You need to write here import and you need to write here material. Here comes the complete thing package flutter slash material.dart. Now, as you know, in every programming language, there is a main function from which execution of programming starts. In Flutter, there is also a main function, and you need to define it. So, how can we define our main function? We need to write here void main, and in the main function, you need to call very important method which is actually runs the app. So this function name is actually the run app. And you need to pass here a widget of your app or of your main screen. And what actually a widget is. In Flutter, everything is widget. Even your screen is a widget or any component that exists on the screen like button, text field, container, or any sort of shape, everything is a widget. So you need to pass here a widget of your screen. Before passing it, you need to obviously make this widget. In order to make a widget, you need to make a class and you need to extend that class with a stateless widget. So I'm passing here my app widget even though I haven't created that. Now I'm gonna create this widget. We need to write here class name of the widget which is my app and you need to extend stateless widget. This is how you can make an ordinary class of widget so that you can use in your application. Now you can see an error in my app. If you over here and click on the bulb, you can see here create one missing override message. It's because whenever you make here a class with stateless widget, you need to override a method, which is actually a build method. If you click here, you can see your build method here and there's no error. But what this build method actually does, it actually defines the whole widget tree of your widget, or it actually defines how your widget will look like on the screen. So you need to return here the whole widget tree of your screen. So what this widget actually does, Material App widget allows you to use all the standards and resources of the material designs. This is actually a standard design from a Google, so you can think whatever you make a screen. You need to wrap it into the material app widget. There is a property in this material app widget which is called home. So you need to pass here further widget tree into this home property. Here comes another important thing that you need to do always. You need to define a scaffold widget. So what this scaffold widget does, it actually allows you to use app bar, the floating button and bottom navigation bar or almost further things. Whenever you make your screen, you need to make this widget tree structure where there's a material app and in the home there's a scaffold, and now in the scaffold there is a property name body, and here you can actually define the widget tree that you need to define in the screen. Now I actually want to show some text on the center of the screen. What I can do is I can use center widget. Center widget allows you to show something at the center. So I need to pass here what I want to show in the center, and there's a property name child. In the child, you will pass everything that you want to show at the center of the screen. There's a widget text. In that widget, you need to pass what the text you want to display in the screen. So, so here I'm writing as our first Flutter application. So this is all from this video. It's a complete application now. We have a material app. In the home, we have scaffold. In the body, we have actual widget tree structure we want to show in the screen. Now we can run this application and see what's the output of it. Now you can see the output as our first Flutter application. And I was keep using the term widget tree. Now we can see here it's a whole widget tree of your screen. There's a parent widget and there's a child widget. This whole structure can be considered as a widget tree. So this is whole from this video, and we have actually learned to make our first application. In the next video, we will extend all these concepts and we will make our application much better. Thank you for watching this video.